Hey guys, today I'm going to be telling you how to transfer PayPal money to Capitec Bank, and the process is actually very simple. So by now you know that you cannot directly make a transfer from PayPal to Capitec. What you need is an FNB online banking profile. To do that, you need to head over to www.fnb.co.za and then click on register, and they're going to register for PayPal, not like non-FNB customer if you don't already have one. And then you're going to choose what type of account it is and just follow all of the steps and log into their account. And once you're done, what you're going to do is head over to my bank accounts in the FNB, and then you're going to click on PayPal services, and then you're going to choose link PayPal profile and enter your PayPal email ID, balance of payment details, everything. And then in recipient, you're going to put in Capitec account details because that is where we want to send, and then confirm your address and you'll get an OTP. So you need to log into your PayPal account also to confirm that you're the account holder and everything. Now after it's linked and everything, what you're going to do is transfer. So to transfer it, again go to my bank accounts under FNB online banking and then choose PayPal services, and then you're going to select withdraw from PayPal and then enter the amount in USD, and then the recipient will be Capitec since it's already connected, linked. And then you're going to review everything, accept all the terms, and then log into your PayPal account to approve the withdrawal. Click on confirm and it should be done within 3 to 6 days, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.